From smart homes and self-driving cars to wearable health monitors and artificial intelligence-powered factories, the world is becoming more connected every day. But at the core of this transformation lies an unsung hero, the Internet of Things chip, or IoT chip. These tiny pieces of silicon are the foundation of the chip economy, where hardware and software converge, and innovation scales to meet the demands of a digital future. According to BIS research, the global IoT chip market was valued at $8.33 billion in 2018. But this is just the beginning. With a compound annual growth rate of 15.18%, the market is projected to more than triple by 2029. What is fueling this explosive growth? 4 core industries are at the center: consumer electronics, healthcare, automotive, and manufacturing. Each sector is driving demand for smarter, faster, and more efficient chips that can power the next generation of connected devices. The proliferation of IoT devices is staggering. Billions of smartphones, wearables, smart meters, and industrial sensors are coming online every year. In consumer electronics, IoT chips are the brains behind smart speakers, fitness bands, and home automation systems.
In the automotive world, they enable advanced driver assistance systems, infotainment, and real-time vehicle diagnostics. Healthcare is being revolutionized by chips that run remote monitoring devices and smart diagnostic tools, making care more accessible and data-driven. In manufacturing, IoT chips are at the heart of automation, asset tracking, and predictive maintenance, turning raw data into actionable intelligence and driving efficiency across the board. The Asia-Pacific region stands out as the powerhouse of the IoT chip economy. This dominance is built on a robust semiconductor manufacturing base in China, Taiwan, and South Korea, combined with high internet penetration and aggressive government digitalization strategies.
On the business front, it is a technological arms race. Qualcomm leads in wireless and edge computing chips, while Intel is pushing the boundaries with artificial intelligence accelerators and advanced architectures. Microchip technology specializes in embedded microcontrollers, and Renesas Electronics is setting the standard for automotive-grade system-on-chips, or SoCs. Together, these companies are shaping the future of connected intelligence. What is next for IoT chips? Expect a surge in edge AI chips, which allow devices to process data locally for faster, cheaper, and ultra-low latency performance. This shift is critical for applications that require real-time decision-making, from autonomous vehicles to industrial robots. As chips become more sophisticated, they are also enabling artificial intelligence and blockchain, handling the high-speed data processing that modern applications demand. The result is a new era of smarter, more capable devices across every sector. Security is another frontier in the IoT chip economy. Security by design chips now feature embedded encryption, secure boot processes, and tamper detection, making devices safer from cyber threats. Meanwhile, the push for sustainability is driving the adoption of green semiconductors, ultra-efficient chip architectures that reduce energy consumption and environmental impact. The IoT chip economy is rapidly becoming the digital backbone of every major industry. With smart investment, supportive policies, and relentless research and development, these chips are evolving from simple enablers to strategic digital assets, powering the connected future.